The thing that I and attendees love about Supper Club so much is that it's a surprise menu, so you have no idea what I'm dishing up, and it's a share style meal. So there's lots of variety for you to choose from, try, especially dishes that you think that you might not like, but end up loving, like this eggplant dish. So this is called a Zaalouk. It is a Moroccan style cooked salad. So I start off by roasting the eggplant till the flesh is completely cooked through, gutting that out, but on the stove top cooking some tomato with garlic, fresh herbs like coriander and spices like cumin. There is paprika in there, salt, pepper. Once that is cooked down, I add in the eggplant flesh to the stove top pan of tomatoes and reduce it further with some lemon wedges. There's different styles of cooking this, like you don't need to bake the eggplant. I like this style. So you cook that until it is completely reduced and the liquids have somewhat evaporated. I serve this with some crumbled feta on top, and focaccia, you could serve it with rustic bread or even make it as a base like a shakshuka for breakfast time.